Good afternoon, student. We'll continue with the plotting graph today. That is, today we'll discuss about the line plotting, line chart, how we can plot line chart. That we'll see. Already we have started this line chart plotting. So we know that whenever we want to plot a graph, first of all we have to uh, import few libraries. So whenever we need to do any of this work, have to import the libraries. Out of that, here just like we are importing, we have to import matplotlib. So, and with that, if any purpose is there, so in that case also we have to import the numpy library as well. So if any purpose is so import, first of all we'll import numpy as np this library, and with that we will import matplot leave Pyplot means the function that we'll use that will come under matplotlib. Here I have not used any alias. That means for every purpose, whenever I will use this pyplot function, I have to use this word pyplot. Okay, so otherwise in this place also we can import as pl or plt, any of the alias we can give. So just we'll do first quick recall how we can create a simple line chart. So for the purpose we need two arrays simply. If we create one simple array, a is equal to np dot a range function. Using the a range, we want to create one array that we can create 1 to 10. So it will create one array, and in the b I want to take log of each element of this a array. So np dot log within np.log within bracket will pass the array a. So now I have two array, a array and b array. Now using these two array, I want to create one line chart simply. So for that purpose, I have to use this pl alias of pyplot, and within this I have to use the plot function. So if we here use pl.plot, and then we'll simply pass pl.plot a comma b. So it will be plotted, but it will not be shown when we use pl.show. So then only it will show the particular plot. So here we can see the graph is plotting, and now after that also we can simply save this graph, save this figure in either to PNG format, or we can save it as simply any of the you can say PDF format. Any of this format we can save. So in this way we can do various savings. So for this purpose, as we want to store all this kind of work, so in this case we'll create one folder just like pyplot dot folder pyplot works. So within this we'll save all this figure, whatever figure will come to us, that we'll see, we will save. So suppose here I'm just plotting the figure. So already it has been actually used, that's why. So if we again simply pl.plot, if we again plot it, and after that if we run pl.show, again the graph will show to us, and now we can save this graph under this folder. There is Pyplot work. So I can name a particular figure. So figure 1 only. Okay, I can save it as PNG format, as well as PNG means just like normal print file format, as well as we can save it as or simple PDF format as well. So after that we'll simply copy this part. We want to so this is our first task. This is task 1. That was just recall of the previous topic. Okay, what else things we have already done? Just like after using PL plot, or before using plotting the PL plot, if you want to place the x-axis level and y-axis level, that also you can place. So x level, within the x level we will place values, and in y label, y label, PL dot y label will place log values, for example. So log values. So after that, it will plot now. PL dot plot a comma b. So it will plot, and then it will display PL dot show. So in that case, it will show like this values and log values. So in this way, simply after that, we can save it the figure. So by default is come with figure one. Change rename it also. So this is the way how we can create a simple line chart. But today we'll demonstrate about some more function under this line chart. So what are the today's topic? Let me show. First of all, we'll open one script. Within the script will work. So our first topic will be there. Our topics of today's things. So here, changing line style and width and line color. This will be our today's topic. Within this topic, we'll discuss. So again, for that purpose, we have to import all the libraries. So first, I'm importing matplotlib dot pyplot as any alias name PL. Good afternoon, Ritesh. So import that. Also, you can import numpy as well. So creation of an array, and after creation of array, now we'll create one array simply. So here I'm creating one array. Np dot. Here I'm taking linspace. Linspace we know the method that is used to create a definite number of elements within a definite range. So I'm taking a range 1, comma 5, but here I want to take within this element I want to take 20 elements within this 1 and 5. So it will create that element, and inside the y another array. So there I want to take np dot for example simply log of each element, or log 10 also you can take. So each element of x that I want to take. After that, simply for this demonstration purpose, I can show my arrays x, comma, x, next line, int y. I'm just displaying my two arrays. After that, we will plot the simple line graph. So let's see. So first we will plot PL dot, as we know, we have to plot like PL dot plot function. We have to use which values we will use a and x and y. These are my two values, two x's value, x and y. And after that also you can rename it PL dot x level, and within x level you can just keep some name, numbers between 1 and 5 for x-axis. PL dot y level you are giving like numbers log of x values. So obviously use PL dot show, otherwise graph will not be displayed. This is our simple work. So but now, as we discussed, we want to change the line style, line width and line color. So first of all, we'll do one by one. First of all, let us see how we can plot the simple one. So bring the file, line graph, and just line chart, line chart 4. I'm just taking example. So here I've set the file. Now I'm just running the file. So when I run the file, you can see that first of all the two array is shown. just a second. Uh, Let me minimize it. Here the value of x and then its log value is shown here, and after that the figure has drawn on this chart. So this is the figure where x level is numbers between 1 and 5, and y-axis is log of x values. So in this way graph is shown here. So this is the answer of first question. So I'm just saving the figure on the same folder that already we have created. Pyplot. In the Pyplot work, we'll stick with that later on we can relate the figure. So this is the program. Now if we want to change the color, by default we can see okay, definite blue color is coming. If we want to change this line color, then what to do? Line style, line color, everything now we one by one change. So first of all, simply we will have to take this array as normal. After that, now suppose if you want to change this part, so now we'll do in a different way. Just one by one I'm closing part. Here I'm writing with color code, color blue. Suppose change the color with blue. So what I can write? So simply the plot function will be like the same way. With that, another argument we have to pass. So what is the argument? So it means we have to pass the color. So just like if you want to change with blue color, so after pressing the element of this plotting graph, then you have to pass the color code. If you want to change with blue color. Now suppose if you want to change with any other color, for example, let me take another example also. And only I'm taking, for example, I want to change with red color. So in that place, I will take R. If you want to use the black color, then we'll use BK. So in this way, we can change. So for the time being, I'm just closing this one. This time, I'm running this part. So saving it and running it. So here is ready. Run it. So now we can see it is coming with default blue color as well as it was coming. So again, if we just close this part, I'm just closing this part and I'm running this part. So now you can see how it is coming. Now you can see the graph color, line graph color has been changed to red. Graph color has been changed to red. So in this way we can change the things. Okay. So now in this program only will use another one. I'm just taking another program. Suppose line chart 5. So within line chart 5, here already I have created these two array x and y, where x is the particular value within a particular range, and y is the particular value within a range. Now I'm just taking another range, for example, from 100 to 800. I'm going to take 20 elements, and I want to take log of each element. This is my one thing, and another element z equals to, I want to take np dot just like suppose sine of each element of x. So this is my thing. Now we'll plot in a different way with different style. So already we have plotted with this part, this way. So now simply we'll plot in a different manner. So suppose we'll put on the frame. Suppose copy save it. And here I want to draw another graph with XZ. So let's see. Here I want to take with default black color, not default color is blue, and here I want to take with red color. So then I will notice what is coming. So let's see if we just see. Okay, so what is happening? Just what is it? Now you can see whenever we are plotting a graph, that time only it was coming with just first one, first cases, that is with x and y. But whenever in the second case, just let me just minimize this part. Now if we see this one, it will be more prominent. This black color graph has came for this plot with x and y. X and y, it is being plotted here, and for plotting with x and z, this graph has came. These two graph has came with different color. Came with different color. Okay. So in this way we can change the line color. These are the just demonstration of this process. How we can change that this line color. Okay. So at the same time we can use different things, different color, and here writing few color code also. So let me write the full color code. Color code. Okay. Just like blue for B for blue, no. First of all, and then green for G for green, G for green, R for red, then Y for yellow, then we have to write C for cyan, then W if we want to use, then we can draw use a white color, and A for black. That already I have said. A for black. So these are the different color combinations that we can use. Okay. So after that, now next thing that we'll see, that is the line width. Now we can see that here whenever it is coming with different color means here with black color, here with red color it is coming. Now with that simultaneously, if we want to change the line width, that means the thickness of the line. So how we can change? So for that purpose, let me change. Let me add another part, that is line width. We have to use another variable or environment, that is line width. Now we can mention line width using some point. Actually, line width the thickness measured in point. So if we use, for example, zero point 0.5, so it will come with a proper thickness. And here I am using line width. Let me take a line width equals to 2.5. So we'll see. Now we'll notice what other things are coming, difference are coming. So color and line width. So let's in this one. Just creating just a minute. Okay, we have to use one comma here that we have not used here. We have to use simply one comma so that you can see the thickness has been changed. Thickness has been changed. The black with 5 thickness and it is with 2.5 thickness. It is quite thicker than the previous one. So in this way, we can simply format our chart. Second type of formatting, that is plotting with different color and line width. Now next we'll add second thing, that means ultimately line style. So I'm taking one of this. Here, let me create another array here. So I'm just taking the W array. W equals to np dot n of x, and x I'm taking. Inside this, I'm taking with x. I'm taking here x. So whenever we are taking these two different attribute x, and in this case if we want to use, we can use w, and now we are taking the line width. We are taking the line width pipe, let it be. But here we want to use another attribute, that is line style. Now line style means which type of or type of line style actually. Basically, four line styles are there. Either you can use solid, by default it is coming with solid. You can use dashed, ASHGT dashed, or you can use dash dot or dotted. So in this way, here I am taking dash one. Let me take here and just with line style. Here I am taking line style equals to dash dot. I will take DSH dash dot. And last one, second one I will take here. Line style equals to dash dotted. This three type of line thing I'm taking here. Color code. These are different color code. So within this color code, I'm taking different colors. So now let me run this one. So let's see what are the different. But here we have to change the color also. Let me take with another color. That is, let me take with yellow, or let me take with green color. To run this one. So here we can see first one, the very first one. Let me close this window. Now it will simply match with each part. The first one, that is with black color, that has come with dash dot, means one dash one dot. Line width is 5. Then which one, red, that is dotted, the completely one red dot you can see around this part. And last one is dashed, so that is completely dashed, that is with the x and w. So in this way only we can see, you can see. So this is the thing, how we can use our particular code, or how we can change the different line style. Basically, four line style are there: solid, dashed, dash dot, and dotted. Solid is the default format, or if we want to change that solid, we can use dash, dash dot, or dotted. So in this way, we can change different formatting, or you can use different formatting. So this was the one topic that we have discussed. So here I'm just ending the session.